Alright? So, we'll have vegetables for today. So, these are our ingredients. We have broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, beans, of course our garlic, our onions, and we have butter, pepper. So this one, we're gonna make it as a salad. This is what we call, seafood salad. So what we call this lato, or it's a seaweed. We have here tomato, and we have salted eggs. These are already cooked. Now, a little bit of oil so that we can saute the garlic and onion. Yeah, that should be fine. The onion, the garlic. Anak, that should be proper. Should not be too hard. And then just put it. Come on, mix it. And then let's put the onion. Okay. Then let's put the butter. Actually, guys, it's his first time to cook vegetables. Until it's the butter. We have added the butter already, the garlic and the onion. So let it melt. So we're gonna add first the cauliflower and the mixture. Okay? And then let's add the carrots. Just the carrots. Okay, don't add the beans. Don't put it too much. Okay. Then let's wait for it. So we're gonna add a little bit of pepper. I love pepper. And let's add a little bit of salt. Cover it first. Cover it actually. Let's cover it. So we have let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. That should be fine. That should be cooked. And this is where we're gonna add the broccoli. Careful. Slowly, slowly please. Sorry guys, this is first time to cook vegetables. He only knows how to fry eggs, cook rice, cook noodles, instant noodles. But Gabe helped me on this video. So thank you so much. Okay. Let me help you. Make sure that's mixed properly so that the broccoli will have the taste of the butter. Okay? Come on, let's add the beans now. If you want, you can add more salt, more pepper in your vegetables. So let's cover it for 2 to 3 minutes and that should be done. There you go. And this should be good already. So, let's put it. That's our finished product now for our vegetable broccoli, buttered broccoli. So now guys, we're gonna make our seafood salad. So it's very easy. You just need to put the lato. That's seaweed. We call it lato in our place. And then just add the tomato. And next is we're gonna add the salted egg. So I put the salted egg into our seaweed with tomato. Some may wanted to put onions, but I'm sorry, I don't love onions on this. I just want to have these 3 ingredients. This should do. This is how I make my salad. If you wanted to, you can put sesame oil. It's very optional. I love sesame oil, but not on this salad. I just wanted it to be plain. Just the eggs, the seaweed, and the tomatoes. You can add like lemon if you would like to make it sour, but for me this would do. As simple as this, easy to make,